Hello guys, this is Roberto Clemente and this is an overview of Poster Machine. This is a software basically works with Facebook through Facebook to allow you to post on multiple groups at the same time without you having to actively post on groups. So if you are a business owner, if you post on Facebook groups, or you think this will bring some sort of benefit to your business from the marketing standpoint, so this is a software for you. This is a software that can save you thousands of hours, do things on autopilot, and basically scale your business. So the way it works is basically you introduce your email here, password. So introduce your password to log in through Facebook, and you have the option to basically use a random background to increase engagement on the groups, or you can simply paste something like an image or something. You copy it on your clipboard and it will paste it. And as you can see, while you scroll over or hover over different settings, it will give you kind of like an explanation of what it does. And you can make posts on Facebook groups, or you can bump posts. Okay, you can create different projects that will be saved. So let's say if you use the same post every single time, you have the option to save those projects. And so initially what you need to do is export the Facebook group. So you gotta input your login information here. Okay, then you save those settings, and then once it logs into Facebook, all right, you can export the groups, and you can use those groups to then upload those the groups here in this option right here at the bottom, right? So you can load the groups or the image if you choose to upload an image, and you can randomize the order of posting into these groups, or you can basically the same way you upload them in that same order to start posting on Facebook. Okay, so you can see here that you can use a proxy if you want to, right, and a port, and you can here basically pick the time that you want the delay from post to post to avoid being banned by Facebook. I believe you can safely, based on what we have already done and the posts that we have done on Facebook, you can post up to 40 groups in a day. Okay, you can push it if you want to using this software, but 40 posts is safe. Okay, so you can post in the groups, and like I said, you can bump the post. Okay, and here in the option bump settings, you have the option to auto delete the bump post. Let's say you want to, it posts on the groups, you want to bump the post, and you make a random comment. Okay, if you got some comments on that post, it's not gonna make sense, right? Because the software, I mean, it's not artificial intelligence. It can't read what people are posting, but it can auto delete your comment, so that it actually effectively bump the post, but you don't have a comment there that doesn't make any sense or anything, because it'll be deleted by the software. Or you can do a continuous bump. Okay, so this allows you to basically bump the post every single day, and to go into the first results or in the Facebook page, and basically you don't have to repost every single time by using this feature. Okay, so here you can control, right, the minimum weight or the maximum weight between bump, and again, if you move over, you will see an explanation of what the feature does. So if you want to give it a ride, we have a 7 days trial, and it's a very affordable software. It will save you tons of time. It's worth every single penny. So give it a try. Again, Poster Machine is available for you if you're a business owner and you want to take it for a ride and start posting And by the way, when you put money into Facebook ads, what you're doing is basically paying Facebook to put your ad in front of the Facebook groups. With this software, you will save a ton of time. And if you have invested into ads before, you know it doesn't make any sense to spend less than $40 a day. If you spend less than that, you know, great, awesome for you. You know, kudos to you. But unfortunately, on Facebook, if you gotta be $40 a minimum and up to start seeing some results. Take it for a ride and contact us if you want to become a user.